in the city of Senga, there lives a man with exquisite qualities in land escapement and woodwork and sculpturing. An artist who did quite a big job in designing the house. His artistic works are more conscientized by African tradition and black consciousness, which has contributed much to his works. Making use of things like wood, a type of tree called jacaranda trees, the man has quite carved and sculptured a woman who is symbolic of the traditional African woman. From being a landscapement design, this art is there to preserve our culture, our tradition, and our black consciousness. Some of his works is a carved crocodile, which was carved out of a jacaranda wood, but far from the eyes, it really looks like a crocodile in the river.
I enjoy art and craft. This woman you see here is a traditional African woman who is coming from the fields. In her basket she's carrying produce from her garden. She's putting on an African traditional attire which consists of a nembe and a dwie bra. I enjoy to be closer to African culture and tradition.